In this video we are going to learn how to change different view option in Outlook. We are going to learn how we can manage the view option, how we can manage the view in Outlook app. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So when you open the Outlook, there is a three plan you can see. First is folder pane. uh, First is the folder pane, second is the email body pane, and the last is your reading pane. Okay, so in my case I have this default view. So how you can change it, I will show you one by one. So first you have to go in view. Under the view, in layout section, you can see the folder pane here, and you can minimize the folder pane like this, and you can also off the folder pane, so it will be off. So you can make again normal. Okay, or you can make the minimize. If you make the minimize, so you can easily expand it like this. Just click on this arrow and it will be expand. Okay, so you can pin it again, so it can't is not going to be minimized, it will be pin it here. You can also minimize from here like this. Okay, so now we are going to come to reading pane. So this is reading pane. You can see currently I have reading pane in my right side. I can off it, or I can also make it right or bottom. So I make it right only. Okay, and it is to-do list, which is calendar, people, and tags. Okay, so here you can make the changes. So this list you can see. Okay, so you can off it, so it will be off. Okay, so that is pane setting. Now come to the your mail body. Here you can see, here you can see by default it is like divided in from subject, receive, size, category, and mention. Okay, so here you can change the arrangement of your mail. You can change by the date. Okay, arrange by the date, so it will become arranged by the date. So newest email will come up, and oldest email will be showing down. Okay, so you can change by date, you can change also from. Okay, so you will get the all emails divided from. So you can see this is all I got email from this Microsoft account. Okay, so you can also arrange by accounts, importance, size, and everything. You can also sort from A to Z or Z to A. You can also filter unread mail, so you can see only unread mail. You can filter by others like flagged mail, mentioned mail. So I just make it all mail. And under the view section you can see the option called expand and collapse. So you can see I just arrange by date. So you can see this is last. Okay, I will arrange by forms, show you properly. So you can see this is all are expanded, but I can collapse it. Go to the expand and collapse and just make the collapse, then all email will be collapsed like this. You can also expand all this group. Okay, like this. So that is how you can change the view option in Outlook. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.